tray table and open your window shade. Kindly switch off all your electronic devices or put it in flight mode. Thank you. This is an important safety announcement. Except in case of water lending, removal and bringing of life vests outside the aircraft is a criminal offense and punishable by law.
Sa mga mahal naming panauhin, sa loob lamang ng ilang sandali, tayo po ay lalabang na. Mangyari lamang na bumalik na sa mga upuan, ituwid ang mga sandalan at igabit ang seatbelt. Tiklopin na rin ang mga mesa at buksan ang tabi ng mga bintana. Kung gumagamit ng electronic devices, switch off o di kaya'y ilagay na ito sa flight mode. Maraming salamat po. Para sa kaalaman ng lahat, ang pagkuha o pagtanggal ng life vest sa flight ng AirAsia ay isang criminal offense at may karampatang kaparusahan sang-ayon sa batas ng Pilipinas.
Dear guests, if you're planning to bring in or take out local or foreign currencies to and from the Philippines, take note of these steps. For Philippine legal tender, notes, coins, checks, money orders, and other bills of exchange in an amount exceeding 50,000 pesos, a prior written authorization from the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas must be secured. Bringing in or taking out foreign currency or monetary instruments exceeding 10,000 US dollars or its equivalent in other foreign currencies must also be declared. A foreign currency declaration form shall be accomplished upon arrival at or before departure from a Philippine airport. It may be obtained from a customs officer in the arrival or departure areas or may be downloaded from the BSP website. Non-declaration or false declaration of the excess currency or monetary instruments shall be subject to sanctions such as confiscation of the currency and possible criminal prosecution pursuant to the CNTA in relation to Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas regulations.